Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing this product from ForStyler Hair Salon. It is the leave-in treatment. This is just me applying the product all throughout my hair, getting it in there good in my ends so it's not too dry. So once I'm done applying the product all over my hair, I'm just going to do a quick blow dry and we're going to wait to see the results. So keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the final result. My hair feels so amazing. It feels soft, it's shiny, has a lot of volume. I just love it. So this product is made from keratin and Brazilian nut oil. It's great for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. It also has thermal and UVA protection as well as UVB protection. I hope you guys enjoyed.